Hey guys, and welcome back. So right here we have this weekly extra large pill organizer for all your medication needs for your morning, noon, night, and for your backups. So right here we have our weekly organizer. This organizer is great for those who take medications or any kind of vitamin supplements. This will give you a week's worth to put your medication or your vitamins. This organizer is a great organizer. So if you take these pills, this can take up to 90 of the 0.49 inches, or you could take up to 14 of the fish oil pills, 22 of the 0.76 inch. You could put 80 pills, 82 pills in the 0.28 inches. So they do hold a lot. Right here is the clasp to open up the plastic. So it's got a nice little locking mechanism so you don't have to worry about your pills popping out. So when you open up, you can see right here that you have your Sunday through Saturday. They're nicely colored. So this one right here, like all of the other ones, they do have 4 times a day. So you have your morning, your noon, your night. And then you have your extra, so your backup pills, or if you do morning, lunch, after lunch, dinner, and then just before bed, then you'll want to go ahead and put them in here. So they just pop up here like that. So once they're sealed, they do not open up. You don't have to worry about your pills falling out. So they're really deep in size. This extra large pill organizer has plenty of space for filling and sorting out all your medications for the entire week. The dimensions of this medicine box is a 10 inch by 7 inch by 1.5 inch, while the dimensions of the individual department is 1.5 inch by 1.18 inch by 1.18 inch, with extra large enough to hold up to 14 fish oils in each compartment. So if you do take fish oil pills, this will fit up to 14 of them. So then right here you have your Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. So it's quite easy to open up the compartments and could be secure your pills at the same time, not needing to worry about it to fall out or any missing pills. This will actually close, and once it's closed, it'll lock in place. So here's your Wednesdays, which are green. Then you've got your Thursdays, which in this nice little blue see-through. So it looks really nice. So you can see how deep they are. Really good material. And then you got your Friday, which are teal or an aqua color. And these two have 4. So for your morning, noon, night, and your backups, you can see where my finger is, how deep they are. At my first knuckle. So then you have a purple for your Saturdays. And these ones are really great because you can rub them so many times and the actual images on the front will not rub off. And it's got this nice little carrying case right here. So you have all your medications all in one spot. So say for instance you're out somewhere and you can't get to your medication, you can grab one of these sticks for your medications, say for Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, or Saturday. You got it right there, right at your fingertips.